Nobody woke up expecting GoPro to drop something like this. I mean, we all knew GoPro made solid action cameras, but a 1-inch sensor, 8K at 60 frames per second, 50 megapixel raw stills, all packed into something that still fits in your palm? That's not just an upgrade, that's a completely different conversation. The GoPro Mission 1 Pro just arrived, and it's forcing everyone to rethink what an action camera is even supposed to be. In this video, we're breaking down exactly what makes this thing special, what it still can't do, and whether it's actually worth your attention. Stick around because there's one spec on this camera that genuinely surprised us. Here's where everything starts. For years, the one thing holding action cameras back wasn't the software, wasn't the design, it was the sensor. Small sensors mean compromised low light, blown out skies, and that classic looks great outside, falls apart indoors problem. GoPro knows this, which is exactly why the Mission 1 Pro gets a full 1-inch 50 megapixel sensor, a first for any GoPro ever shipped. Pair that with their brand new GP3 processor, and you're suddenly talking about a level of dynamic range, color depth, and thermal stability that action cameras have simply never delivered before. This isn't a minor spec bump, it's GoPro rebuilding the foundation from scratch. Okay, so let's talk about the numbers because they need a second to land. 8K at 60 frames per second. Not 8K 30, not 6K, actual 8K 60 recording in a camera you can mount to a helmet. Then there's 4K 240 for silky slow motion, 1080p 960 for burst-style captures, and open gate recording all the way up to 8K 30. Throw in 10-bit color, HLG HDR, and professional color profiles built for grading workflows, and you've got a camera that's starting to sound less like a GoPro and more like a tiny cinema rig. And the open gate shooting is huge for creators specifically, because shooting the full sensor width means you can reframe for YouTube, Reels, or TikTok in post without sacrificing resolution. When you're starting at 8K, you've got a ridiculous amount of room to play with. Before anyone starts thinking GoPro forgot who they are, the Mission 1 Pro is still waterproofed and to 66 feet, still rugged enough to handle heat, sand, and rough conditions, and still compact enough to go anywhere. The fixed ultra-wide lens is still here too, and while that means no optical zoom and no background blur like you'd get from a mirrorless setup, there's actually an upside most people overlook. Fixed focus means everything beyond roughly 2 feet stays sharp. No autofocus hunting, no missed moments, no hesitation during fast action. For sports, travel, and adventure content, that consistency often matters more than fancy focus systems. GoPro also dropped a new point-and-shoot grip accessory with launch, and honestly it transforms the handling experience into something that feels much more like a compact camera than a mounted device. One thing creators have complained about with GoPros for years is battery life, and GoPro seems to have actually listened to this time. Early testing on the Mission 1 Pro is showing significantly longer recording sessions compared to previous models, and the GP3 processor deserves a lot of credit there. Better efficiency means less heat, less drain, and more usable recording time without constantly watching the battery indicator. The Mission 1 Pro isn't trying to replace your mirrorless camera or your cinema rig, and it's not pretending to. What it is doing is covering more ground than any GoPro ever has, filling gaps that used to require a second camera entirely. The Mission 1 Pro is the most ambitious thing GoPro's built, and right now it genuinely feels like a new category rather than just another model. Drop a comment below. Would you actually swap your second camera for something like this, or is there still a gap it can't fill? If you found this useful, like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.